Hello everyone. Today I want to show that many people ask me and they call me, okay, and they ask me that how can I speak English, okay, and they several times they call me and how can they read the books very easily and yeah they can finish because many students, okay, they start to study books, okay, and suddenly how in the middle of that they leave that, okay, so how it's happening and how they can finish their own book, okay. So let me show how it can be, okay. So I have couple books, okay. One is here, that is 5000 awesome facts, okay. One is this one. This is really a gorgeous book, okay. And even so many informations already I have given inside it, okay. All these, so many facts that is able inside this book. So this one, and here is another, that is knowledge genius, okay. So couple books I have and how I can finish it, okay. So yeah, it's also a nice book. Yeah, there are so many things that already given inside this book, okay. Really awesome book for kids also and for everyone. Yeah, it's a nice book. So yeah, but truly I want to say that how can you finish your books in very few times, okay. So first, when you are going to study anything, okay, so you already have to finish this, like when you are going to read that book at least the speed of 250 words in a minute, okay. Then like the page, even I can say those books who has 250 pages, okay. So if you are going to study that book in that amount of time, so and in that speed, so like in a single minute, when you are going to study it at least 250 words, okay. So then you will finish it in at least 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, in only 4 and 5 hours you will finish that book, okay, and that could be possible. So that we, you already have to those kids who is trying to cause I already have seen, listen ma'am, I already have seen. So sometimes I have seen, many of students and many people I already have seen. Okay, when they are start to read a book and suddenly in less than 10 minutes, okay, they are reading very slowly, like this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, and later they gonna put their hand like this, and suddenly they lost their own mind, okay, and suddenly they went somewhere, okay. When you ask them, where are you man and what's you're doing, okay, and they say, oh yeah, suddenly they shocked, okay. So first we have to constraint and we already have to focus. Then you are going to take more amounts and when you want more amount of time and when you are going to focus a lot on that, because probably when you're reading you already have to focus on it, and when you are focusing on it, so okay, so then you will understand all those words very easily. And when you are going to take the speed at least 250 words in a minute, so okay, so you are able to finish that book very easily, okay, and you will understand the most of the words that are already given inside those chapters, okay. But if you are going to less than like the already I have told you, okay, so in less speed I already have seen this sometimes in the middle of that when they are studying the book, okay, and suddenly they lost their mind, they are thinking some another things, okay, some many things like they already have done before and some they plan to do it later. So yeah, that's happening. So first, increase your speed, read at least the speed of 250 words in a minute, and try to read it fast. And any book when you pick up, okay, from your library, so you already have to when you pick up any books, okay, like this one, okay. So when I pick up, then after 5 and 6 hours, first I have to finish. Without finish, no, don't go anywhere, okay. First finish it and then go anywhere. So if you're going to do like this, so yeah, you can finish many books and you can get a lot of information. That's for you. Okay. So thank you.